Hello everyone, so this is problem number 57 from the chapter Center of Mass from the book Verma. Here is saying that a uniform chain of mass m. So let this be the uniform chain of mass m and length L. Okay, is held vertically in such a way that its lower end just touches the surface, horizontal floor. The chain is released from rest in this position. Any portion that strike the floor come to rest, assuming that the chain does not form a heap. Okay, so chain is not going to form a heap. So what is the force this chain is going to impart on the floor when this L by 9 L by when the x length is on the floor? It means the remaining length is L minus x. Okay, that's fine. So what is the force that this floor is going to exert on the chain? Okay, so first of all, we have seen that there are two kinds of forces. See, force is equal to rate of change of momentum, that is m into v. So it will be m into dv by dt plus v into dm by dt. So here mass is going to change because some masses which are going to lie on the floor and other masses which are coming with some kind of velocity. So this some kind of velocity and there is change in mass. So this is the force which is going to act here. So this force is called thrust force. Okay, and there is another force which is because of the mass which is lying on the floor. So let the linear mass density be lambda, that is m by L. Okay, so when suppose this is at a height x, consider a mass, consider the length dx with mass dm, which is going to hit in the time dt, and come to rest. Okay, so when this mass reaches the floor, it is going to gain a speed of root under 2gx. So this is the speed which this mass is going to gain when it is going to hit the floor. So the thrust force, that is going to be v into dm by dt. Now what is dm by dt? Dm by dt is equal to lambda times dx by dt, that is v into lambda into dx by dt into x dx by dt. So it is going to be again v, so lambda times v square. So this is thrust force. So the total force that is applied by the floor on the chain is, that is mg plus this thrust force. So what is mg? So the mass of the x length, so that is going to be m by L into x into z plus lambda, that is m by L into v square root under 2gx square, that is 2gx. So the total force is going to be 3mgx upon L, which is applied by the floor on the chain, or this much force is applied on the floor.